Now is important is the data load. So data load, when you select here, so you can select the how to do the data load. Okay. So data loading, suppose you want to change a component, you want to do the data loading. First we have a select the destination. So destination means you have to select where you want to put the part. So first, that's why this is highlighted, these are not highlighted. When you select a destination, so it will be giving the option all this which chapter you want to go. So suppose I want to go to the chapter 23, whichever chapter you go, it will give me satellite data unit SDU left. Now this is I have to add. When I will be adding this, so now the selected LRU is satellite data unit. Okay, so this is there. Selected LRU, this is selection communication, this. Okay, so we have added. Now continue. When I will continue, now it is shown here. Okay, satellite data unit. Okay. Now you see the select source. This is activated. This select source is activated. Select source. Now select source key is activated. Now if you select the source, now from where you want to get this software. So this software, if I have a USB connected, if I have some CD-ROM, or otherwise it is in the mass storage of the aircraft. If it is in the mass storage of the aircraft, I will be finding the hard drive. That means software is already in the hard mass storage. Okay, mass storage. So mass storage, we have the hard drive. From there I will select the part number, and I will be then can continue like this. I will do. But we will not be doing, we are just, because I am just showing you. I am not going to load this part. Okay. So we'll go back from here. We don't want to do this. We'll go back. Okay. You can delete the destination from here. Okay, the destination can be deleted. Suppose you have selected. So delete destination. Yes, delete destination. So the selected destination can be deleted also. Okay. You can select the batch. Batch means lot of software which comes in a batch, like one single. So that can be selected from. So this as a batch we can select that.